Mission control. Do you copy? All systems green. T-minus 60 seconds. Engines roaring.
Let's go. What's up, everybody? What's up? Welcome back to the night shift. My name is Brad, here with you for the next 4 hours in the chair behind the mic. Just trying to make a little bit of money together tonight. How's everybody doing? What's up? Here on the final show of the week for the night shift. I know it's so sad. It makes me sad. It makes me sad to realize that this is the last 4 hours I'm going to have with you this week. But such is life. We can't have everything that we want all the time. But happy to be here with you. Hope you had a good day, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever it is you find yourself on this big, beautiful world that we live on. I hope that you are having a great day. I hope that you had a great day already. I hope you had a good trading day. But no matter what happened yesterday in the trading session, it's a brand new day. The dashboards have reset. The clock has turned over. It is a new day. Don't let anything that happened yesterday carry over into today or into this session or into the morning session. It's brand new opportunity to reset our brains, get back on track if we fell off the horse, not get cocky if we had a big green day. Just overall, have a nice, chill Asia session. How about some no Trump tweets that send us tanking for 240 points like we had last night? Do you even trade on Fridays? I know, I don't. I don't. What is your read on gold? Gold is still very shiny, still very expensive right now, and my wife still loves to wear it on her body. So that's my read on gold. I know she wants more. Oh my gosh. Let me get into chat here real quick. Let me just say good evening. Miss K911, Mark Tom Frank, ADHD Crafts, Air 23, The Wealth Goddess, Matt Evans, Miss M, Adam Daz, what's up? Landlord Logic, Witch on the Roof, Isaac Green, Remington, Rogue of the Lamb, Duarte Machado, Son of Wall Street, R. Ferna, Dave Mack is in the house, Lino Gardner, Prod Son Swift, Christopher Huffman, Houdini, Puran Palawal, Nav Singh, M. Pachkol, Alternator, The Global Summary, Seth Sieb, Icy Hawk, Dave Mack, Naruto Uzastaki, Lucas Krug. I don't know if it's Krug or Krug. I'm going to say Lucas Krug. You can correct me. Matt's Real, ADHD, Akash Biswal, It's Burns Trades, Christopher McGill, TII, TA Cessna, Jeremy Lassiter, Mr. Trade. Who else we got? Trading for Progress, Winter Natty, Mac Dabrowski, Seema Show, The State of Baker, Jake H007, D-Goal is back with us tonight, Skydoc is in the house, Sebastian Tracy, Adolfo San Juan, The Wealth Goddess, Silver Phoenix, Dylan Logue, Rifdak Kabir, Aiden Placentia, Kite Frog, Squared Away Crypto, and Kumarni Cam. Guys, thank you so much for being here. Lintech, J-Bomb, English Music Now. Let's go. Glad you guys are here with us. Welcome to the night shift. We are the fastest growing show, live futures day trading show on the planet right now for the Asia session. So glad you're with us. I had a nice green day. Last night was a little rough. We blew up an eval on that massive tank in the Asia session last night. Massive tank in the Asia session. Trump, or not even Trump. It was just some random fake news came out. Sent the market down 250 points in about 3 minutes. I blew up an eval, but we did bottom tick the DD band on 2 funded accounts. And those were the ones that actually count. Those are the ones that we're going to take payouts on. And speaking of payouts, look who's ready for another payout tonight. That account that was down $200 last night, we flipped it today, made that $200 back and added $147 to it. So we have 5 days of over $100 profit, and we are ready to request another grand coming in. We're going to do that in just a minute. But we were green across the board yesterday. I am just so stoked about this account right here. This account has taken 4 payouts. We added day 1 of 3 for 40% consistency last night on the stream. This is the one we bottom ticked last night on the stream. And then, of course, this one, we have 3 days. I was checking right at the beginning of the stream, right before I came on live. I guess I've cleared my cache or something, because all of the Tradevate orders that I do on my DOM was putting in that audio notification, the auto filled. And so I went in and turned it off, and I just made sure that it was not on anymore. So that's what that little minus 50 cents is. I just opened and closed the micro real quick. So we're looking to make $100 on that tonight, and then $100 Monday, and this one will be ready for another $1,000 payout as well. So super pumped just about how things are going right now in the old Sir Darb, luck of the Irishman. What's up, Matt? How you doing, bub? Glad to have Matt in the stream with us tonight. Boosted Dime, do you take any trade on this channel? Why are you already getting in here and trolling me, Boosted Dime? You already wanting me to play that song, aren't you? Matt says, I started trading Lucid because of you, sir. That's very good to hear. I hope that you use code SCORE to tip your favorite streamer. Oh, we're gonna take another payout here in just a minute. I want to get some more people into the stream, but we're gonna time it again and see how fast. So here's all the payouts we've taken. We took a payout last night on the stream. We've taken payouts. Most of these payouts were all done on the stream, but this is just in April. I think tonight will put us close to $8,000 in payouts just for the month of April. And we still have 2 funded accounts that are close to their payouts as well. So we're rocking and rolling on the night shift right now, guys. On my way to becoming a full-time day trader. I'm so excited. We're going to be taking half of every payout and dumping it into my live brokerage account. My goal is to get that up into the mid 5 figures sometime this year, and hopefully be able to use that at some point in the future to get away, maybe not get away from props forever, but I know that if I'm going to be a full-time day trader, it's not going to be through prop firms. Prop firms can be a vehicle to help me get there, but it's not going to be the end goal. It's not going to be long-term sustainable to produce a full-time day trading income that way. So my plan is to start taking half of every payout, putting it into my live brokerage account, and then we'll go from there and start trading on that here pretty soon on the stream with you guys as well. So where's the DD band? DD bands are pretty far away still. We did open with a nice little opening gap. We haven't even tried to close the gap. We just opened and have ripped up about 60 points here, showing no signs that it wants to come back down. I don't know. I have no clear bias for tonight. I'm gonna wait and let the market kind of unfold here over the next hour before I decide what I want to do or what I want to try to do. I have not been I feel like for the last 3 weeks, I have been very accurate and I've had a great run. For whatever reason, I don't know what it is mentally with me right now. I just feel a little bit out of sync over the last 3 or 4 days. I feel just a little out of sync. And it's been a struggle to to manage trades into profit, I guess is the best way to say that. Instead of just being right and having, besides those trades last night where we bottom ticked DD band, I can't even remember where it was. We bottom ticked DD band. Oh, it was right here. We bottom ticked DD band, and that was a great trade on two funded accounts. Besides those, I feel like every trade I have taken over the last 3 days, I have had to fight for. And luckily, I have the tools in my bag now. I have the knowledge and the wherewithal. Grateful to the Rocket Scooter Bootcamp to help me know how to do that well. So even if I'm wrong in my overall direction, I can still be profitable on trades if I manage them correctly. So that's kind of what I'm feeling tonight, is just kind of sit, chill until I have a better vibe on exactly what I want to see happen here tonight. But we have 4 hours, right? There's no reason to just jump in and start mashing buttons 13 minutes into the show. Yeah, I'm perfectly chill. Oh, take profit account. Let me get the take profit account. So I have the take profit account up here. I do need to flip. I need to flip for my last day. Today will be my last flip, and it's over the buffer limit. I mean, it's over the, I passed this take profit 50K in 2 days. So I hit the profit target in 2 days. This is the one that chat wanted to see me trade. I was a little sad chat wanted to see me trade this because I hate intraday trailing drawdown. I couldn't have been more descriptive on how much I hate intraday trailing drawdown, and yet chat still was like TPT, TPT, TPT. So we're going to give it another go. I have yet to get a payout off of TPT accounts. You can see I'm up to account 34. I have had probably 12 to 15 funded accounts, and I have yet to get past the damn intraday trailing drawdown. But also, I haven't done it since I've been trading with Rocket Scooter since last year. This is the first take profit account that I fired back up since I've been trading Rocket Scooter. So maybe this one will be different, but I got to flip one more. We're going to open, hold it for about 20 seconds just because I don't know what their hyper scalping time limit rules are. We'll just let it sit there for about a minute or so, and then we'll close it. And then that'll be my 5th trading day on this take profit account. And we should be able to get this one logged in for the show Sunday night, hopefully. We should be able to have this as a new funded account to start trading on the intraday trailing drawdown. So I'm telling you, I am not looking forward to this. I have had zero success. The only intraday trailing drawdown accounts I have had success with were Apex. When I first transitioned into futures trading, I went with Apex, and I was able to get a few payouts with Apex on one account, but it took me a long time to get through that intraday trailing drawdown. I have never been able to get through it on take profit, so we'll see how it goes. All right, we can close that out. There's day 5, locked in. That one is done. I'm going to close it down. Nothing else to do on that one tonight. Profit met. I did also today buy a My Funded Futures Flex account, and I did it because I was looking at Prop Score. If you don't know what Prop Score is, propscore.co is a new mathematical prop firm ranking. It's kind of an auditing firm that gives a credit score to prop firms. It's all mathematical. There is no pay to play. This is just the favorite that the community likes. It is completely a mathematical based prop firm ranking site. And so I was looking to pick up another account from somebody, and I was like, hey, I'm just going to go in and I just want to go put in my stats, and I'm going to use the minimum first payout as my filter. Minimum first payout, one step. It takes me I pass about 50% of my evaluations right now. So every eval I take, I'm going to pass one, fail one. Funded accounts, funded attempts to pay out. It's a little bit better than 50%, but I'm just going to put 2 in here. It's a little bit better. Once I'm funded, especially with TPT, I don't know how long it's going to take. My win rate right now is a fantastic 77% win rate on my trades. My risk reward ratio is basically 1-to-1. And so I was just going through and I was looking at simplicity, ranking them by the easiest to path. The easiest one to path. This is going to be the easiest one, guys. The simplicity. It's the easiest one to pass. The easiest one to pass is TPT with a 10K payout. But I don't like intraday trailing drawdown. I don't like it. I don't want, if I don't have to go to a firm that has intraday trailing drawdown right now, I'm going to avoid it right off the bat. So I'm just going to ignore this one for now. I already have a take profit 50K that's passed right now. Okay? It's passed right now. So I'm just going to ignore this. So the next one would be the My Funded Futures 50K end of day pro with a 100K profit split. But I was like, I don't want to wait 14 days and it's a little bit more pricey than some of the other ones, blah, 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 blah. Funded next. And then I got down here to the return on investment. No, drawdown per price. Where was it? Here it is. Price per time in market. Price per time in market is the one that I was looking at. 8.2, 5K profit split, 8.7 simplicity, 8.1 return on investment, 9 on the drawdown per price, and 9.2 on price per time in market. So I based on just flipping through these, I was like, and I've gotten payouts on My Funded Futures before. I love My Funded Futures. So I loaded up another My Funded Futures Flex 50K, and we got 50% consistency on it this morning. So day one is in the books on that. I need one more. Well, I don't have to pass it in 2 days. I'm going to see if I can. But I'm going to try to load that back up and see if I can work my way up to a 5K profit split. There's no, on this specific account. Oh, I can't see that there. I've got to go to accounts. Where's My Funded Futures? Here, let me just load it up. My Funded Futures. Oh, do I have to like put spaces in there? Account? No. Why didn't that work? I thought that worked. Where I could look at the. I thought I could look at the actual. Okay, here we go. All the My Funded Futures. Where is the? I thought there was a list, like it showed you the breakdown of all the accounts for each firm. Maybe I'm tripping here. I don't remember where it was. The thing you need to know, the best thing about this whole site is, for me, the best thing about this site is I can put in which payout model that I want to use that's important to me. To me, what's the minimum first payout? That's right now where I'm at. That's probably the most important thing. Now, that may change soon to what's the max I can make in a month, right? But right now, I'm just looking at what's the best minimum first payout I can get with my stats. 50% eval attempts to pass, 50% funded to pay out, a win ratio of around 77% with a RR of 1. Why is there only one account showing up? Something happened. Oh, clear? No. I have totally jacked up this site right now. Oh, it's because I have My Funded Futures over here. It's because I have My Funded Futures. There you go. All right, let's go. All right, 2, 2, 7, 7, and 1. Minimum first payout. I've never traded with Tradeify. I probably need to give them a shot. I don't like the Rapids because it has intraday trailing drawdown. I've already made a lot of money on the Flex accounts, and I wanted just to try a different firm. I don't necessarily want to do Top Step, but Top Step shows up pretty high in this list for me. But I don't like Project X, so maybe I'm going to avoid it. Funded Seed is new, but they only have Trade C as their platform that I could use. I've never used Trade C, so I'm going to just kind of hold off on that right now. I love Funded Next. I've made a ton of money with Funded Next already. Elite Trader funding is 5.5. I'm not really, it's a $500 payout. That's just like, not good for me. Like, I want to get at least 1,000 to 5,000. That's kind of what I'm looking for. So the My Funded Futures ones on price per time in market, that's the one I went with. All right, I'm going to get rid of that for right now. Let's go back over here. How many people we got watching? We got 417 people in the house. Guys, we're going to request a payout. We're going to request a payout right now. Right now, we're taking out $1,000. I got to get my bank account up because we've been timing how fast these hit. We're going to request a payout right now, $1,000 to my Wells Fargo account. 1000. We're requesting a $1,000 payout. Here we go. Somebody time me. And go. Request payout successful. I'm going to give it at least 30 seconds and then I'm going to start checking my account. All right. Matt, can you borrow some money? I got you, boo. I got you, boo. How much you need? How much you need? All right, I'm checking my account. Still not there. Nothing yet. Last night, it was almost like 3 minutes. Last night was like 3 minutes. It was the longest one ever. I felt like it would never, I thought like it would never show up. All right, we're going to try again. We're looking again one more time. Nope. Not there yet. I'm going to refresh, see if this still shows pending. Yep, still shows pending. Panel Trading says it takes 24 hours. Oh, no, not with Lucid. Lucid is very fast. All of these, so before last night's, all of these hit my bank in like 60 seconds or less. So still not there. We're going to check one more time. I just keep refreshing. Still not there. This is one of the benefits of Lucid is after you request your payout, they are extremely fast. Lucid, it takes 24 hours with you. Are you in a different country? Like, are you on the other side of the world? Okay, there it is. Bam. 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 Let me go here. Let me go to... There it is. 90% profit split, baby. What was the time on that? 1 minute, 52 seconds, Kyle says. 1 minute, 52 seconds. In the bank for just 5 days of trading, guys. Actually, it was a little bit more than that. It was 7 days of trading. So this was on a Flex account. So this was a Flex account right here. So I had to trade, oh, that's the wrong one. Hold on. Where is it? This one. I had to trade for 2 days. No, that's not right. So day one, my first eval was on the 16th, was day one. The 17th was day two. I passed, got funded, and made $2,400 on day two. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trading days to put $900 in my bank and request $1,000. Get my profit split. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. And now our payouts What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 70. What is that? 70. I don't even know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 76, 70, 78, almost 8K. Almost 8K. Something like that. There you go, baby. Let's go. Hey, we got some. Who's donating boot camps? Drops? Hey, Drops, thank you so much for that boot camp donation, my friend. As always, you are the man. Thank you for supporting the channel. That's 4 boot camps to give away tonight already. What do we got going on over here on the charts? Still not a whole lot of nothing right now. It's just kind of doing a slow melt up. This is what it was doing last night, and then we just hammered 250 points down in 3 minutes. It's burn trades. That's a good month, and the month ain't over. That's right. So I need. I still could take out. I could take out. Let me go back over here. I could take out another 1K on this account Monday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So Monday night I could take out another $1,000, but I wouldn't be able to do any more on that account. And then on this account, 1, 2, 3 could be a payout, and 1, 2, 3 could be a payout. So I could potentially, but I don't know if they're gonna stop me after I take another payout on this account. I think they move me to live. It's Burn Straight says, Brad, just wait until you get half of the million challenge. Yeah, we won't let Matt forget that the poll decided that I should get half when he hits his milli. And I told Neon I'd split it with him, so we won't let him forget. We won't let him forget. All right, so I'm not sure if I take one more payout. Lucid says that after 5 poo-outs, after 5 poo-outs, they move you to live. I've never been moved live to a prop firm before. I know that the Lucid Live program isn't the best. The poo out will be the first code word tonight. Poo out. Can we do emojis as code words? I wonder if the comment picker will pick it up. It probably won't. Get all the accounts to their first payout or their fourth payout. Yeah, we'll see. I think so. I believe the way it works on Lucid is they will move you to live, or at least consider moving you to live after you've taken your 5th payout, and they will move any live accounts that have taken at least 1 payout to live. So if I could get this one, if I could get this account here to a payout, that would be 3 fundeds that will have had at least 1 payout, and I could take 3 accounts into the live program. But I don't know if I want to do that because the profit split moves from 90-10 to 80-20, I believe. But I'm not 100% sure about that. All right. What are we doing? Let's go back. All right, we're getting a little pumpage. Guys, how was your day today? Were you green? Were you red? Did anybody pass an eval? Did anyone request a payout tonight? Did anybody blow up any accounts? Any fallen soldiers we need to salute here? Any little poo-poos on the poo-outs? Instead of getting a payout, you got a poo-out on your account. Crazy performance, says Algoline. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. It's been a great month for sure. We have definitely gotten our feet under us now that we've been streaming for about 9 weeks. The first 2 to 3 weeks streaming and trading weren't the easiest on me, but now that we've kind of found our rhythm, started passing eval, started getting funded accounts, started racking up payouts, pulled almost 8K out now. So Ended up green, 1 blown bull knocks, 170 away, green 250 away from passing, 550. Green, red, very green, nice, 100. Past 2 evals, Kyle. Let's go, baby. 430 across 2 accounts, nice. Past TPT today. Halfway to eval on Lucid. Bruno, yeah, I'm a scalper. Kurt King blew 1, but made the 50% on 50K evals, nice. Down 1K on the funded, still looking to get my first payout. Hang in there, buddy. ClearX says payout this morning and poo out this evening. Let's go. Rogue, my soldier lost all of his limbs, but Doc got him sewn back on and said after a bit of physical therapy, he'll be good as new. That's right. Just spit on it, rub in some dirt, get back out there, buddy. Bank Robber says plus 500 on my funded, popped an eval, found a free 100K from Tradeify. Thought I popped, and turns out didn't, so good day. Well, there you go. Will you be streaming and trading the live account? Yes, sir, I will. Took 5 account payouts. Let's go, JK. Nice job, baby. Stefano says, do you have daily loss limits? I got killed today because my position was negative 500, and that was my limit right before this went down hard. I could have had 3K day. On fundeds, I have daily loss limits. On evals, not typically. Once I have 3 or 4 funded payouts that are rolling and getting 2 payouts, I trade my evals a lot more aggressively. I don't want to waste time. When I have 3 or 4 fundeds rolling, I do not want to waste time on evals when I'm rolling payouts in. I will, yeah, if I get moved to the live accounts, I'll definitely be telling you guys all about it. You'll hear all about it here. If I have to get another payout first, so there's no guarantee that I'm going to get a 5th payout. So we'll just have to wait and see. Dave said you broke your 1 micro rule and lost an account yesterday. Damn it, Dave. Back to 1 micro today and made 450 on my funded and personal. Let's go. Adam says down 500 on my 25K funded on Tradeify Daily. Oof, sorry, buddy. Refact just blew up in Apex. I think I would be interested in potentially trying to short from up in here. So somewhere around like 80 to 110, somewhere in there, maybe taking a stab short. I don't know why. Maybe I don't at all. I just feel like we're just kind of like, if you look at the 1 hour time frame, we're just kind of choppy. This is the opening week gap from the war. We've broken above it, held above it. That open print price from Friday, or that last close print price is, I mean, you can see the opening range, the final close print and the first open print of the week are extremely supportive and resistance-y for levels, even beyond the rocket scooter stuff. Even maybe, I guess I should say not beyond, but inclusive of rocket scooter stuff. Opening week gaps. There's in half gap. Look at half gap as support and resistance as well inside of there. Beautiful. I don't know. I just kind of feeling like we're gonna put in a top wick here for the day, and then we could kind of start selling off. I could be wrong. I feel like I've just been a little bit out of sorts with my higher time frame analysis and bias heading into the Asia session the last 3 or 4 nights, man. Really this whole week. Even though we've been green most nights, it's just been like, it's been a challenge, I guess is the best way to say that. Yeah, I'm not gonna try and short until we get up into, I think, like the 100, 110 area. I think that's if I do even take a stab. I might even just wait for DD band. I mean, that's a long way away, but I don't know. We'll play it by ear when we get there. We'll see how I feel about it. An hour and a half to move 5 points, yeah. What's up, Shivax? Welcome in, man. Gringo Loca says, I feel like going long in Q and short ES, just waiting for that late afternoon news. Never know, man. Never know. All right, guys. It's that time. We're at the bottom of the hour. This is the time at the bottom of the hour on every show. The first hour, we just like to pause. We remember those fallen soldiers that we loaded up with contracts. We said, get out there. Go make me some money. We'll bring it back. They were like, okay, bud. Okay, boss. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. We loaded them up with contracts. They ran out into that battlefield. They marched right into the face of volatility. They never made it back. Though they are gone, they are not forgotten.
They answered the call. When the setup formed, they stepped forward. They took the risk, and they held their ground. They executed their orders with courage, without fear, without hesitation, without complaint. They did not chase glory. They served the mission. And today, they have fallen, stopped out, breached, closed at the edge of the margin. But make no mistake, they did their job. They followed the plan. They faced the volatility. They stood in the fire so we can learn. The loss was a teacher. The pain was a warning. This is the fight for discipline, for mastery. And we do not forget those who paid the price. We rise wiser. We continue the mission. The objective remains. And tomorrow, we trade smarter. We stand stronger. To the accounts that fell in battle, we salute you.
We salute you, little buddies. We salute you, guys. Thank you. Thank you for going and paying the ultimate sacrifice so that our live brokerage accounts did not have to. All right. We got 538 people, 540 people watching. We got 180 likes. We've got several accounts to give away tonight, guys. Several accounts to give away. First things first, if you haven't yet joined Prop Score Discord, you need to go do that, because if you win an account tonight, you're going to need to go into the Prop Score Discord, which is completely free, by the way, to claim your prize. We have a Funded Next account to give away. We've got 2 Earn to Trade evals to give away as well. We already have 4 boot camps. If we get to 400 likes, I'll add 4 more to it. But the first stop on the like train, 350. 350. Farina says you're about to post a mega event that we're doing tomorrow inside Discord. Ooh, baby, let's go. A mega event inside Prop Score Discord tomorrow. That's what I'm talking about. Do you even hit the like button, bro? Come on, let's hit that like button, guys. We got almost 600 people in here watching. Posted. All right, I'm going to go see what the post is all about. Announcement. Friday giveaway bonanza. Friday is giveaway bonanza, live drawing of 10 prop accounts. Yes, you read that right. This Friday at 5:30 Eastern, we will be hosting a mega giveaway event live in our Discord for 10 free prop accounts. Join I Am Liquidity and Farina as your hosts. Be there to enter the giveaway, have fun hanging out with us, and round out the first ever week of prop score giveaways. See you there. You need to get in there and sign up. There's already 53 people that are interested in this event. That is fire, salute, prop score, wizard, heart, rocket, googly eyes, party time, money bags. I don't even know what that means. Let's hit them all. Guys, get in there to prop score. You're not going to want to miss it. We do giveaways in there all day long. Giveaways all day long. It is got almost 2,000 people in it just in its first week. And it is the Discord that goes along with our new website, propscore.com, the credit score for prop firms, a data-driven prop firm ranking, completely mathematical model that takes your very own trading statistics into account when ranking and telling you which firms you should be focused on based on how you trade and the payout that you're looking for. There you go. All right. I'm just sitting on my hands here, not looking to push any buttons just yet, guys. I think that I would prefer to take a short somewhere, let's say somewhere like right here. I'm just going to say I'm going to plop down a 3 micro limit order right there just for funsies. Actually, you know what? Yeah, I think that's fine. 27.96. I'm going to leave it right there. Brad isn't interested. I can't win. And I won't even be able to be there tomorrow night. I have a previous engagement on the calendar that I have to be at tomorrow for several hours. So I won't even be able to be there for to be and celebrate. Hey, Brad, why no trades? I just don't have any edge in the market at this place right here, and I'm not just going to push a button. I feel like closing the gap or at least retesting the Asia Open makes sense. But we're not near any rocket scooter levels. Just going off a higher time frame resistance. We're sitting up here at higher time frame resistance. I'm not interested in just jumping into a position. Not being in a trade, honestly, is the most of your trading should be not in a trade until you have a very clear frame for your trade and how you would want to play it out and why you're getting into it, and it meets your trading plan and execution. There's no reason to put your accounts at risk there. The Wealth Goddess says, how do we sign up? You sign up in Prop Score Discord. You can find the link in the description of this video. You can also find it in the pinned message of this chat. Kyle, I heard your mic yesterday, buddy. It sounded great, man. It sounded great. Sinister Scalper says Houston Swingers Night tomorrow. Wow. That came out of nowhere. Shivak says, so what I've read, the buffer is 1,100. The minimum payout is 500, I'm guessing. After I get to 26.6, cash out 500. Where's my drawdown then? Is it 25.1? So I'd have a $1,000 buffer. On the Shivak, are you talking about for the Lucid accounts? Kimberly Campos says, I'm still learning about the rocket scooter tools, but once your entry exit, will you automatically enter or still have to do it manually? You talking about up here on my sell limit order? If it hits it, it'll be put into the market. What's up, Zay? How you doing, bub? Gringo Loca says, my edge in Asia, I like to wait until the trade is 20 points against Brad's trade. That's your entry. Good job. That would have been the play every night this week so far. except the DD band. That one was a bottom tick. You would have gotten roasted. I Am Liquidity says, let's go. It's $40. Nice. Hey, it sounded great, dude. You need to trade less, but it's hard to see the market move without you. You just gotta learn. Okay, so listen, here's my frame of reference for the market moving without you. When you come to the charts, you are getting on your surfboard and you're paddling out into the ocean. All right? The ocean doesn't even know that you exist. You mean nothing to the ocean. You're just in the ocean on the water. You're paddling out to where you think there might be a wave. When you get there and you see a wave coming and you don't take it, do you turn your surfboard around and start paddling after the wave? Or do you sit there and wait for the next wave because it's the damn ocean and there's always another wave coming? That's how you should approach your trading. Just sit, just wait for your wave to show up. If there's a wave that you let go by and another wave that you let go by, who cares? There's gonna be another one in just a minute. So just chill, just sit, hang out, get some sun, enjoy the water. That's all you got to do, baby. That's it. Patience pays. Gabe says, look up foil drive if you got one. Oh yeah, dude, I've seen people. That's the thing you stand on and you kind of like how to bounce it and ride it through the water. That's pretty cool. That the foil drive is the equivalent of the rocket scooter tools. If you're on a foil drive in the market, if you're trading with a rocket scooter, you're trading with a foil drive, baby. You guys like that analogy? Good. You just have to wait. Just chill. Don't paddle and turn around and chase a wave that you're never going to get caught up to. You're never going to catch it. You're going to tire yourself out, and then you're going to miss the wave that you really wanted to take because you weren't paying attention. And you used up all your energy chasing a wave that you missed in the first place. Drown with Brad. That's funny. All right, we're almost into our very first hour. We are up to 259 likes. We have to get to 350 likes, guys. Smash that like button for me. Smash that like button for me. Chris Van Slyke says, as a surfer, that's good advice. There you go. I have never been surfing before in my life. I have boogie boarded a couple times. And what's the I guess it's boogie board. When my boys were little, we'd go down. See, we live close to Galveston, and Galveston doesn't have surfing waves unless there's a hurricane blowing in. So, but there's a lot of people that go down there and they'll boogie board and stuff. There's people that try to go surf down there, but it doesn't go very well. Buy it, trade it says, is it really hard for most to pass an eval, or is it a YOLO thing? I think there are people that definitely try to YOLO. The statistics say most people struggle to pass evals. I think the fail rate is somewhere above 90%. The people that do pass and get to a sim-funded account, only a very, very, very small percentage of them get to a payout. And then those people that get to a payout, only a very small percentage of them can get to multiple payouts. The prop firm business is designed for you to not make money. And traders flock to it because they don't have to risk very much of their own money to try to get a big return on their investment. They don't have to, they can go buy a $70 Lucid Flex account and a 25K Lucid Flex account for $70, and they could trade it for 6 days and make $1,000 on day 6. Like I just showed you on the stream just a few minutes ago when we took that payout. I traded that account for 6 days, 2 days to pass. On the second day I passed, I actually got my first day on the funded account trading. And then I traded for 4 days after that, took $1,000. It cost me $70. So that's why people are, if you have edge in the market, if you have edge and you have a good trading plan and you're disciplined, prop firms can help you. They can be a vehicle to help you build up your live cash brokerage account. They can also help new traders learn in a very strenuous, disciplined environment how to manage their trades, how to position size correctly. So if you can, if you can take your lumps trading prop firms, I think one of the things that I would recommend is, man, you should, if you're struggling passing evals and getting funded or getting payouts, I cannot recommend the Rocket Scooter Bootcamp enough. It is the thing that turned me into a profitable trader. I have been trading Forex since 2017. I did that for 5 years, and I was making a little bit of money in Forex. Not a lot. Mostly just break even. Traded futures for a year and a half before I found Rocket Scooter. Basically break even. And then I found Rocket Scooter, watched Matt trade for 2 months, took the boot camp for about 2 or 3 weeks, watched all the videos, started trading Rocket Scooter near the end of July, and everything turned around for me. Now, I have years of trading experience behind that. It's not like I just found Rocket Scooter and just started trading it out of the gate, right? Like there's still if you haven't been trading very long, there's still going to be some learning and lumps and bumps along the way in every trader's journey. But for me, a guy who is basically profitable for basically a break-even trader for 2-3 years, to go from basically break even to what I'm doing right now, night and day difference. Night and day difference. Anybody out there that is looking for edge in the market, you need to take the Rocket Scooter Bootcamp. And we're going to be giving away at least 8 of those tonight. At least 8 of them tonight. Maybe more. Of course, we got to get to 400 likes, but I think we'll probably get there. We need 49 more likes, guys. 49 more likes to get to our 350 like goal to trigger our first giveaway tonight. We have a funded next account to give away, and we have two earned a trade accounts to give away. Have you guys by the way, I do feel like I need to say this because I heard Matt talking about it on his show this morning, and I think I briefly heard Neon talking a little bit about it. These accounts that we're giving away, so since we're starting Prop Score, all of these firms that we're reaching out to, letting them know we're starting Prop Score, letting them know what we're about, that we're a mathematical ranking credit auditing firm, basically, for prop firms. There is no pay to play. There is no bias. We treat everyone fairly and equally. Everyone gets put into the same machine, and the machine just spits out information on the other side, and we put that information online for everyone to see. There is no favoritism. There's none of that. So what's up? First time watching? Thank you so much for being here, man. But because we're reaching out to all these firms, we are getting a ton of free accounts to give away. Now, Please do not mistake that we are giving accounts away because we are endorsing these firms or that we think these are great accounts. I really don't know. We have no history with these firms. We want to give them to the community because the more that you guys can interact with these firms and with these accounts and then come back and leave reviews of your own personal experience, we have no idea what these accounts are like. I mean, we can see the rules, of course. We can see the rules. We can see the platforms. We can see the account size. We can see the payout rules. We can see all of that. But we all know that just because you have that online doesn't always mean that that's the way it's going to check out in real life. I can think of many people that have traded with a very popular firm that rhymes with latex that would say they're huge, but you never really know if you're going to get paid out or not. And that's why their reviews are pretty trashy. Pretty trashy. So we want you to take these accounts that we're giving away in the Prop Score Discord, on Matt's stream, on Neon's stream, on my stream, and we want you to go trade with them and see what your experience is like and come back and report to the Prop Score community, hey, thumbs up, thumbs down, meh, A+, you guys should be, this is a great firm. We're not endorsing any firms, and giving away accounts to you to try is not an endorsement from us as streamers, nor from Prop Score itself as an endorsement of those firms. Capiche? Everybody understand that? They're giving us free stuff to give to you. We're just passing along the free stuff. Please go use it. Let us know if you like it or not. That's really what it comes down to. Latex funding, payouts, or rubbers. It's called Only Wix funding. Only Wix. Yeah, it's a great way for you guys to try new firms. Great way for you guys to try new firms. Those slippery little customers. They're a slippery little prop firm. That latex firm is a little slippery. I did hear latex prices are going up, but only on the Magnum size, I believe. If you have an experience with any prop firm out there, we really need you to go leave a review on propscore.com or the Prop Score Discord, not propscore.com, propscore.co. You can leave a review in the Prop Score Discord, and that will help us build out how the community interacts with all of these firms, and maybe your review might be the review that helps tip the balance one way or the other for other traders that might be considering these firms or these accounts. Those are too big for me. You're good. Yeah. Brad of the three, you are my fave. Oh, thanks, man. All are good, but you're the man. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. That's very kind of you. Prop Score Pete in the house. What's up, buddy? Do they have extra medium? Shanier says, what's my strategy? So, Shanier, I trade the Rocket Scooter platform. That's my main strategy, is the Rocket Scooter platform, which you can see on my screen right now. I use the resilience indicators. I use the DD bands. I use monthly hedge pressure, weekly hedge pressure, liquidity pockets, They should load up here, the historical data here in just a second. There it is. So you can see, this is the strategy that I use. It prints it on my chart at the beginning of the New York session. It gives me bull zones, bear zones. It gives me DD bands, gives me the open and closed gaps. And it tells me at all of these levels, based on these indicators, whether it's going to be support or resistance. So that's what I trade in the New York session. And I do trade this same platform in the Asia session. However, because the New York Stock Exchange is closed and the resilience indicators are really built off of tracking the underlying stocks while they're actively being traded, we don't have access to these auxiliary tools, and we don't have access to any of the bull zones or bear zones or liquidity maps that give us a game plan for the day and all of that. So what we have in the Asia session is we have our dynamic overnight monthly hedge pressure and weekly hedge pressure, and we have our DD bands. And I just take them and I put them on. I just sniffed a wick. I just wick. Oh my gosh. That is insane. Are you freaking kidding me, bro? 93.75. 93.75. That is just so unfortunate. I might still get in, and if it does, it'll probably rip me higher and get out of it. That is just so unfortunate. I sniffed the wick. I didn't get to tickle it. I had my little tickle fingers ready. Instead, I just got a little sniffy sniff. That is completely inappropriate. Market, why you gotta do me that way? I was looking for my first tickle of the night. Yeah. That would have hit my TP. Locked in my $100. Now it's going to come back and just ram me. Watch this. It's just going to come back and it's just going to go, oh, did you like the smell of that? Did you like the smell of that? Here, get some of this. Watch. Did you like the smell of that? Do you even sniff, bro? I got wick blocked. You like the smell of that? Here, get some of this. Yeah. Oh my God. Rogue says, please check Prop Score Song Submission channel in Discord. You're in there. Oh, I'm there? I'm there? All right, let's go look. I'm going to go look. Song Submission channel. Oh! Let's go, baby. Dude, those are sick. Dang. Nice. Smash that like button, guys. Come on. Smash the like. Dude, look at my forearms. That's incredible. My poor mic is getting beat to hell. So there's one, but there's more. There's more. Hold on. There's more. There's several more. There's that one. Oh, there's Superman. Super, what's it say? Super subscribe. Oh, it says, I thought it said Superman. It says subscribe. Smash that like. I like it. That's fantastic. Very nice. I'm gonna have to add these into my into my repertoire. Oh, see, I told you I was gonna get smashed in. Hey, you like the smell of that? You like the smell of that? Get you some of this. What else we got? Oh, okay. Now this one here, the Irishman, the look of the Irish, and look at that badass dragon. Okay. Dude, these are fantastic. Oh, that's great. And then I've got the montage. I got a sword, a hammer. What is this? A mace? Is that a mace? A spear? And then I'm just Iron Man blasting magic on that like button. Smash the like, guys. Smash the like. I'm going to have to download those and add them to my scene over here. We're at 359 likes, by the way, so thank you so much for smashing that like. Dan Emmons, got your Top Step payout bag secured. Let's go, buddy. I just locked in another 1K, Dan. Did you see that tonight? Were you here for that? I locked in another one after last night's 1150. We locked in another. Good job, Dan. 350, let's go. All right, 360. I got another poo out tonight. I got a poo out. So our first keyword tonight. I wonder if I can do dashes. Can I do dash out? Let me see. Dash poo out. Wonder if it'll let me do it. Hold on. It did. It let me do it. All right, let's try this. There's your keyword. Poo out. We got a poo out. I almost sniffed that wick, and now I told you it was going to come back and just go, hey, you like the smell of that? Make sure you have your dash in there, poo out, and I'm going to make sure it is actually going to capture them. If it doesn't, we may have to change the word, but we're giving away our first giveaway tonight. Oh, got to get some music going. Our first payout tonight is going to be a Funded Next 25K Rapid account. Funded Next 25K Rapid account. Funded Next 25K Rapid account. I made a lot of money in August, September, and October, November. Over 10K on the 25K Funded Next Rapid accounts. They're really good. You can pass in one day. It's a 1 day to pass. And it's a 3 day to pay out after you're funded. 40% consistency, no buffer. Just 3 days of 40% consistency, and you can take out whatever you want, up to $800 on the 25K. Poo out, baby. Poo out. Let me make sure it's capturing here. Is it capturing? Yeah, it's capturing. Sweet. Nice to know that we can put hyphens in there. We had a poo out tonight. And I tried to sniff a wick. And then I got slapped around. We're gonna see how this plays out. I'm gonna let it just run for a little bit here. Let's see, Let's see. That's 20, 40, 60 for 10 points. So 86. So I think somewhere back down in and around this area should get me my Bundy. Boom, 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 boom. What if it takes out the high, then drops? Then I'll probably just get a paper cut loss and move on to another account. Move on to another account. Totally fine. I'm not going to DCA in on this. I will give this, let's see. $10 points, 20. I'll probably give this like 30 points or so. Let's see. Hey, Simo Show, take care. All news is green. All right. Fernando Mendoza goes to the Oakland Raiders. Does he really? Oh, is the draft tonight? NFL draft is going on? I have been so locked in on Rocket Scooter and streaming and my work. I used to be all over the NFL draft when it was going on, and I didn't even realize that it was happening tonight. Combine's been going on. I had no idea. Raiders are getting the you said the Raiders, right? Yeah, Raiders. Leo says, Brad, you're supposed to set stop loss according to bankrupt trader, not TP first. Yeah, I know. He's not even going? What do you mean Mendoza's not even going? Is the draft happening right now? Am I missing something? He's not gonna go to the Oakland Raiders? Like he said, if you draft me, I'm not going? Oh, he's not at the draft. Okay, gotcha. I'm with you now. He didn't go to the draft to walk out on stage as the number one pick. I got you now. I got you. I was going to say, dude, you take that number one pick and you lock up that max contract, no matter what franchise you're on. You get your bag. Who cares if it ever turns into a Super Bowl or a Hall of Fame? Take care of yourself and your family. Try to get out of that first contract after a few years healthy and go somewhere else if it's not working out. Quarterbacks have all the power in the NFL. They can force trades right and left if they're good. I'm going to be glad when this week is over. This trading week has been... I know when I show you these accounts, you're like, what are you talking about, Brad? What are you talking about, Brad? What are you talking about, Willis? What you talking about, Willis? I know when you look at stuff like this, you're like, what are you talking about? You're doing just fine. You look at accounts like this and you're like, what are you talking about? You're doing just fine. And you look at accounts like this and you're like, you're doing just fine. I'm telling you, for whatever reason, it has been like pulling teeth. It's a lot of green, says Dan. Yep. It has been like pulling teeth to put that on the board on these accounts. And that doesn't include the take profit that I passed this week. I passed that take profit in 2 days. And that doesn't include this My Funded Futures flex that I put 50% consistency on today as well. So let's not forget that green. I'm just telling you, I don't know if it's just my mental state. I don't know if it's my mental state or if it's the market or if it's just, for whatever reason, I have had to claw my way to these green days every single day. Constantly on the order of high news and headlines, so that puts a lot of stress. That probably what it is. You're probably right. I've blown up 3 evals this week. I've blown up 3 evals, but it feels like it. I don't know why. I'm just telling you what's going on in my head. It feels like I have lost all my accounts. That's what it feels like to me right now. It feels like I have just trashed all of my accounts. I have had to claw my way to green days every day this week, it feels like. And I don't know why I don't feel better about the week I've had. Because I've had a damn good week. I've had 2 payouts. I've been green on every day of my funded accounts. I've passed a take profit eval. I'm halfway to passing a My Funded Futures 50K. And I just don't feel great about how I've traded. And maybe it's because my entries could be better. And so I have to really, really fight and manage those trades throughout the day. Like size down, size up, add in, get out, size back up. And maybe it's that, I don't know. But I can't remember the time I've had this good of a trading week when you look at my dashboard and you look at my payouts. Farina, I chose it because when I was talking earlier and I was like, hey guys, I'm about to request my poo out. I just misspoke and I said poo out. And of course the chat just ran with it. We got a poo out tonight. We took another poo out. All right. You got 30 more seconds. If you're just joining the stream, we're doing a giveaway. We're giving away a 25K Funded Next Rapid account. I need to see if I can get some food down here because I am hungry. See if Piggy can bring me some dinner here in just a second. We went to eat at a Tex-Mex restaurant today for lunch called Lupe Tortilla. Woo! Woo! It's good. And I got this chicken breast covered in like this cilantro sour cream sauce, with spinach and artichokes on it. And I got 2. It comes with 2. And so I only ate 1 because we had chips and salsa and everything, and then we had rice and beans with it and everything. So I'm craving that leftover chicken breast. So, all right, guys, let me entries are we got 10 seconds, 10 seconds, and then we'll close the entries. Let me get my wheel of names up here. Wheel of names coming in. All right, 2, 1. Entries are closed. Entries are closed. No more entries. No more entries. You can stop typing. Take out Rocket Scooter. Matt don't need an account. All right, we're going to shuffle it up. We're giving away a Funded Next 25K Rapid account right now, guys. Good luck. Good luck. We're spinning the wheel. No more typing. You're going to get put in timeout if you keep typing. All right. Adam, JT1KV, type something in chat to claim your prize. Let me know you're here, buddy. Rigged. There he is. He says, no effing way this is rigged. You got it, baby. You just won yourself a Funded Next 25K Rapid account, Adam. You're going to go to the Prop Score Discord. You can find the link to Prop Score Discord in the pinned message of this chat. You can also find it in the description of this video. Go to the YouTube Winners channel, and there are instructions there on how to claim your prize, my friend. Thank you so much for being here and for supporting the show tonight. Guys, keep smashing that like button. We just crossed 400 likes. So that means I'm adding 4 boot camps to the one that's already donated. So that's 8 boot camps we're going to give away towards the end of the show tonight. We still have 2 accounts to give away. We have 3 accounts to give away. Let's go. Slacks just dropped one in there for me. We have 3 more accounts to give away tonight. We now have a Earn to Trade 25K Trader Career Path. We have an Earn to Trade 50K. And we just got dropped in a Lucid 50K Flex, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Smash that like button. 500 likes is our next stop. 500 likes. Guys, have you all heard of Futures Funded Family? Have y'all heard of these guys? Funded Futures Family. Anybody? No, this isn't right. That's not right. It's not them. Hold on. Yeah, Funded Futures Family. This is it right here. We are going to be working with these guys on Prop Score. They're putting all their accounts into they're putting all their accounts into propscore.co. And I just wanted to kind of give a little bit of a rundown on their Premier Plus accounts. You can choose from end of the day or intraday based on, and it'll change the price on these. Hey, Papa Les in the house dropping in a boot camp. Thank you, Papa Les. Welcome back to the show, my friend. Funded Futures Family, Premier Plus accounts, end of day drawdown. You can do 25K, a 50K, a 100K, and a 150K. The profit target here. First ever hearing about them? Yeah, I bet a lot of people haven't heard about them. Bank Robber says highly recommend. There you go. Leo says they are horrible. Oh no, I haven't yet. I'll check your DM, Papa, in just a second. I'll check it in just a minute. So the buying power, 25, you get $1,500 on the end of day, 750 max drawdown, 1 minimum date you can pass in one day, and then you can move on to the funded stage. The buying power, 50K is 96, $1,500 drawdown, $3,000 profit target, 1 day to pass. There's no consistency on the evals. There's no daily loss limit, no activation fee. These prices are all in one time. And I don't know. I think some people seem, I've heard people talking about them. I have never traded with them. I'm interested to see how they're going to score out on propscore.co. I know that, I believe, wasn't this the firm that Jadon started and then it got taken over by some other people? You can trade on Tradeovate, by the way. Tim Murray says they have been good. Prop Score Pete says they're going to score really good. So there you go. Let me see what are their Premier Plus. Let me go to the FAQs here. How does the payout process work? Traders are eligible to request a payout after completing 7 winning trading days. with at least $200 profit, 40% consistency. The max payout you can request depends on the stage and account size. The first $10,000 in total payouts, you get to keep 100% of the first 10K with no profit split. And then 90-10 after 10K in payouts. That's nice. That's nice. These look like decent accounts. I'm not a big fan of the drawdown is a little low. The drawdown's a little low. Velocity is super cheap. All right, let's look at the velocity. Oh, is there an activation? There's got to be an activation fee with these. There's got to be an activation fee with that. There's no way those are $25 without an activation fee. So they have a Prime, a Premier Plus, a Straight to Funded, and a Velocity. We'll probably be having some accounts to give away here with those pretty soon, but I just wanted to get that on the screen in front of your guys' eyeballs because you're probably going to be seeing those scores come out here pretty soon. All right, Premier Plus plan. 1 day to pass, no consistency, no daily loss limit. Hit your profit, you get funded. You keep 10K, 100% of the first 10K. Thank you so much. Ooh. Delicious. Delicious. My dinner is here. All right. There you go. Dude, I knew I was going to get smacked around after I sniffed that wick. I knew it. I knew it. Okay, this isn't as good leftover as it was in the restaurant today. It's the spinach. The spinach doesn't have the same pizzazz. There's no YouTube winners in the Discord. Prop Score Discord. YouTube winners channel. Right here. YouTube winners channel. It's right there. Under prop score, giveaways, YouTube winners. All right? It's right there, buddy. Yeah, Discord is free. The Prop Score Discord is free. You can find the link in the description of the video. You can also find the link in the pinned message of the chat.
Green on the screen. The payouts, the wins. DMs blowing up. Teach me, King, drop the pen. Envy in their eyes like I hacked the code overnight.
All right. That was very disappointing, actually. That whole meal just did not hit the spot.
Let's rewind.
Just did not hit the spot.
When the door first cracked open, this ain't luck. This is blood on the token. 2016, 41, punching in at the office grind. 5 days a week, 9 to 5, leaving dreams behind. Drop 10K straight from the overtime. Evening Uber driving, weekends gigging just to stay alive. Ramming for dinner, Red Bull for dessert. 2 steps forward, 3 back, felt the universe flirt with my collapse. Red candles like fresh scars. Kids asleep upstairs, I'm whispering to the stars. Eviction notice taped to the door like a stop loss. Palm broken, my watch counting every cross. Kids asking that was dinner, I'm nodding yes. But I'm still on the clock, still deep in the mess. Wasn't overnight, 9 years paid the price. Wasn't overnight, side hustles every night. It wasn't overnight, rocket scooter lit the flight. It wasn't overnight, it wasn't overnight. Late 24,
Why don't I see a message in my DM?
YouTube live, no fluff, just raw edge and truth. Breaking down the tape like a surgeon with proof. MHP and EST, let the winners run free. His voice cut the noise, unlock the keys.
I don't see any
Everything I missed at 41, now they whisper my fault. Still punching 5
I have to
days.
create a passcode? Is that it?
But now the charge so big. We can hustle cash, turn seed money.
Do I have, is it, maybe I just haven't, is it like a private deal? Hold on.
9 years paid the price. It wasn't overnight. Side hustles every night. It wasn't overnight.
I'm gonna have to go get a snack here in a second because that just was,
It wasn't overnight. Overnight, yeah, right.
that was unfortunate. Man, it was so good at lunch, and I was like, man, this is gonna be great to eat for dinner tonight on the stream. That was not what I was expecting. Well, this trade here has been like every trade this week where I've had to fight and claw my way. Okay, I don't know why that's just not, it's just spinning. I'm gonna refresh. Papa Les, I'm gonna refresh here, buddy. I don't know why. Oh, there you are.
Yeah, we making it. Ain't going back. Never going back.
Dude, dude, look at the wall of guitars.
Never going back.
So cool. I gotta hold on a second. Is that in your house?
Years of wipeouts, accounts blown to dust, strategies crumble.
Is that in your house, bro? That's so nice.
Every setup bust.
Les Paul. Is that a Gibson? Right there. Gibson. I can't really read them all. Got a Telly over there. Another Les Paul. SG. Is that an Ibanez? What is that one on the end? Dude, the hollow body. That's so sick. So nice. Nice, dude. Those are so pretty. Thank you for sharing those. Epiphone? Okay. Gotcha. Papa Les rocking out on the guitars, baby. Play Thunderstruck. Very nice. Oh, and you dropped in another dono. Thank you for that, man. This market has no chill. We're just gonna rip to DD Band in the Asia session. My option is DCA, look for a little pullback, close it out, or cut it and wait for tomorrow, or wait for the morning. going to blow another account today. No, I'm not going to blow this account. This is a funded account. So I have $2,200 in profit on this account. It started with $1,000 drawdown, so I have more than almost 3x the initial drawdown. So I'm not gonna blow it up on this trade 100% for sure. Wouldn't give me enough drawdown here unless I full ported it. I don't really want to do that right close to the daily high. I feel like maybe cutting it, waiting for a DD band short would be a better option. $200 is easily made up in the New York session. First loss is the best loss. Lucas Krug, off to bed. Have a great weekend, buddy. Thank you so much for supporting the show. Go tuck yourself, man. We'll see you Sunday night. Upper DD band on ES is at 71.98 3/4. And ES is approaching that upper opening week gap, which acts as support and resistance. If it can push up into that would give you one more little pop above the previous day high on NQ. And I could take this account that I just took a payout on, maybe look for a little undershoot. Alex Allen says, what is DD band? It's DD band, not DD bands. DD bands are, sorry, I just spaced out there for a second. DD bands are based on a risk interval that is calculated when the market closes from the new daily requirements that the CME updates for cash accounts. So the CME updates, hey, this is the margin requirements that are going to be required for these instruments based on the settlement price, volatility, all that kind of stuff. Rocket Scooter and they give you the algorithm the equation with which to know how they calculate that, but it looks just like a bunch of alien gibberish to me. Matt reverse engineered it, puts it into the Rocket Scooter algorithm, calculates the upper limit and the lower limit that if it reaches those spots, it will want to fight to break out away from those, above it or below it. So DD stands for Doomsday. And that's just the internal language that the developers were using. Instead of calling it a RIB, risk interval band, they called it a DD band. So that's what a DD band is. The DD bands. How do you figure out if it wants to go above or below? Well, only 4% of days will close outside of the upper DD band. And 8% of days will close outside the lower DD band. So how do you know? You don't, but the statistics say it's going to want to, by the end of the day, even if it trades outside of them, most days, 88% of days will close inside of those DD bands. Oh, wait, there's more images. I'm gonna have to go look. Oh, we got Matt smashing the like button. Nice. Oh my gosh. I'll let Matt put that on the stream tomorrow if he wants. Had their little special guest there this morning.
Yo, rapid challenge, 3 days, green light, legacy uncapped, no cap in sight. MHP breakout, I scalp the pivot. Pickle in the chat yelling, print it. Eval reset, fresh account load. Payout while you watch the green explode. HP spike, I ride the volume wave. One tick stop, no room for the grade.
Lady Darb in the house, just getting out of her hot Pilates class, saying, hey, what's up, baby?
Flip the script, bulls on trap, prop firms get clipped. P&L party, money gun spray. A+ setups blow the eval away. Hedge pressure scooter.
Yeah, the DCA probably would have been a smart play, but on a funded, it's fine. Not the end of the world here. I figured this would be a spot where we would see some resistance, but ES didn't quite get up to... I still think ES could get up to that opening range gap and test it like it's done a couple of times already, and that would put us in line with NQ pushing above the previous day high there. So I'm just going to wait for that. I'm cool chilling. With my head just being in a kind of a struggle place of just not feeling like in sync with everything, I'm not going to push it too hard tonight. Hey, Lady Darb, if you can bring me something to eat, this chicken breast that was left over was not good. If you find yourself having to be driving by something quick, I'll pay for your next haircut. Piggy did not give me bad food. She brought me what I asked her to bring me. It just wasn't good. It just, the spinach didn't warm up right, and it was just the flavor of it was just not great. I'll give her an eval. Then I'm gonna have to teach her how to trade, and husbands teaching their wives how to trade probably would not end well, I don't think. It wasn't even like it was soggy because it was already in like a sauce. Like, it was just not, it didn't taste, like it lost all of its like fresh flavor. And it just tasted like it had been sitting in a fridge and not great. I'll give you an eval if you bring me some dinner. But you have to trade it with me on the stream for everyone to see. You're right. Pounds Elixir says husbands telling the wife anything doesn't usually work out well. Yep. How long does the effect of MHP last? In my experience, the overnight levels are very good for the next day. Beyond that, I haven't really done any extensive testing to know what previous levels, how they react past 24 hours. I'm not sure. She said, hell no. I'm not in any position right now. I have a limit order up near DD Band. That's all I've got is a limit order set. And this tortilla she brought me was a soft tortilla that has turned into a massive tortilla chip now. A chewy, not very good tortilla. Just all around, this leftover dinner right now, on a scale of Apex to My Funded Futures, it's Apex. A scale of 1 to stale. Oh, it's 100% stale. But I'm so hungry. I'm gonna like. Oh, I'm getting like crumbs on my mic cover. Hey guys, smash that like button. We need to get to 500 likes to do our next giveaway. Man, the DCA would have been the play, baby. Dadgummit. This is what I'm talking about. This has been my week. I have been scratching and clawing and fighting all week long. And I have had a great trading week, but I just feel exhausted after this trading week. ES, DD bands. Here you go.
Every move's a pulse, breaking the chains. Steady on the path, I trust the flow. One step closer.
Drops. Don't listen to drops. Why do you want her to starve me? My Cocksmall says, leftover burrito that's cold in the middle with that wet hot lettuce used to hit so mid. Oh, is there a new song? Kyle, you got a new song? I just was looking at all the pictures. I didn't scroll up. Numb Prophet. I'll listen to it. Let's listen. I'll turn it up a little bit. Here we go. Cold pizza is... Dude, we will buy more pizza that we're going to eat for dinner just so we can have cold pizza the next day.
Watch that level, let it break. They all chase it, that's their mistake. Take they stops, I don't debate. In and out, I don't gotta wait. No love here, just take and go. Price move clean, I play it slow. No big talk, just let it show. If it fold, I let it go. Yeah, heart stay low, I don't spite. Big move hit, I don't hype. All the screens, still no light. They feel same as the night.
Well, damn it, y'all. Back to square one for me right now. Back to square one for me right now. GD band doesn't change. The DD bands that are here, they go all day, all the way through New York. The only thing that updates in the morning is monthly hedge pressure and weekly hedge pressure. DD bands stay exactly where they are because it's based on the previous day last print. They're calculated off of the last close price. This has got a lot of sub in it. You can buy the boot camp. You can find it in the description of this video, the link to all of the Rocket Scooter platform, and that includes the boot camp in the description of this video. Nice. I like it. Good job, Kyle. He also has another one in there. called NASDAQ to 100K. Guys, we need 24 more likes. Smash that like button. We need 24 more likes.
Artificial saviors on every screen, talking heads selling fantasy, markets fly, nothing makes
Skydog, yes, these DD bands are good all the way through. They recalc every day. Yep. Technically, yes, you could leave the DD bands on every day. We don't use them past the initial day because the margin requirements and the risk interval changes from day to day. Lady Darb says this is chain smoker vibes. Hey, Gospel Clarity, welcome in, man. My name is Brad. I'm the host of the night shift. Matt is this is Matt's YouTube channel. I just am one of the hosts for one of the 3 shows. Matt streams in the morning, Neon streams in the afternoon, and I stream here in the Asia session. 503 likes. Let's go, baby. Good job, good job, good job. Trady. He says it's a Christian rap song. Well, it needs to be about trading related stuff. So as long as the music is trading related, happy to play it. But we're not gonna play any songs that are specific to any religion or political tone. I know, Dan, I keep forgetting to put my name on a banner down there. All right, new giveaway. Yeah, my call was right. I just missed on the entry. I'm telling you, this has been my pattern all week long. I got in, well, it's still way above. I got in way down here. If I had DCA'd in, I probably would have been at least break even, if not a little bit in profit right there. I got in at 96, so I'd still be underwater. But if I DCA'd in, I'd probably be right now in profit just a little bit. This is a nice jam. Can you tell me about how you have Tradevate set up showing all the accounts? I just have, this is Tradevate. You just log into Tradevate and you just create whatever space you want. I just have accounts and I have a DOM. So you can add different things to your layout. I just added my accounts and then I added a DOM. Instead of adding a chart here, I just added accounts and my DOM. That's it. That's how you do it. All right, we need to do a giveaway. We got to 500 likes. Our next giveaway tonight is going to be an Earn to Trade Trader Career Path 25K account. We've looked at these before, but I'll pull them up so you guys can see exactly what we're talking about here. The Earn to Trade 25K TCP. You start with a $1,750 profit goal with $1,500 end of day drawdown with a daily loss limit of $550. Once you pass, you move into a live sim account. Once you're in the live sim account, your goal is to make $1,750 with a $1,500 end of day drawdown, same $550 loss limit. I believe you can take out up to $1,400 from the profit goal. If you hit that profit goal, you can take that out. And then they move you into a live account, a 50K a live account, or maybe a 25K live account. Either way, they're going to move you. They're going to keep stepping you up as you hit the new profit targets. They're going to keep moving you up into live accounts that are bigger and better with higher profit targets, higher payouts, et cetera, et cetera. So we're going to give away we're going to give away 125K and we're going to give away 150K of these. I need a code word suggestion though. What should our code word be? Papalez. Not Papalez yet. Cold pizza. Ooh, I like cold pizza. Diddy Band, Bacon, Struggle, Stop Filled. Rubber Chicken. Leftovers. Oh, yeah, we'll do leftovers. Leftovers it is. That's it. I saw it. Leftovers. Leftovers is the will be the code word. Type in the word leftovers into chat. We're collecting. The bot is on. We'll give you a couple minutes. I need a song request. Any of Sir Darb's song requests to play while we're collecting names. I'm still here. I've got some new songs cooking that I'll have for you next week, by the way.
Yeah. You ever sit there? Know exactly why it happened. Still do it anyway. Yeah. Blew it again, I ain't say a word. Stared at the number like, nah, that's absurd. Knew what I did, yeah, I knew what it cost. Knew I regretted the second it's lost. No one to blame, I can't shift that truth. Just me and the proof, yeah, me and the proof. Said I'll fix it, I done said that before. That's what it is, yeah, that's what it's for. That's the part that'll mess with your head. Not the losses, the lies you said. They say you done, I'm still here. They said he won't last, I'm still here. Seen this before, I'm still here. I'll live that, I'm still here. They say you done, I'm still here. Said he won't last, I'm still here. Seen this before, I'm still here. I'll live that, I'm still here. Next day woke up, didn't feel that drive. Almost shut it down like I tried. Hovered on the edge like what this proved. All that time spent just to lose. And not that same loop, not that same regret, not that same version I ain't be yet. So I slowed it down, yeah, I cut that size. Had to learn control, had to kill that pride. Every loss now got a lesson in it. Every move got intention in it. They say you done, I'm still here. Said he won't last, I'm still here. Seen this before, I'm still here. I'll live that, I'm still here. They say you done, I'm still here. Said he won't last, I'm still here. Seen this before, I'm still here. I'll live that, I'm still here. It wasn't the market, it was me. Every time I broke my rules, every time I knew better and didn't do better, that was me. But I didn't leave. They They said you done. They said you done. I'm still here. Said he won't last. I'm still here. Seen this before. I'm still here. I outlived that. I'm still here. They said you done. I'm still here. Said he won't last. I'm still here. Seen this before. I'm still here. I outlived that. I'm still here. I'm still here. After all that noise, after all that doubt, I'm still here. I'm still here. Used to jump in fast, hands on fire. Every tick looked like a green light high. Now I lean back.
No more entries. Entries are closed. Sorry. No more entries. Stop typing. Shuffling it up, giving away an earn to trade 25K trader career path account. Good luck, everybody. Winner is CS Davis 13. Congratulations. You just won a 25K trader career path from Earn to Trade. Type something in chat. What? Yeah, baby, you got it. You got it. It's you, man. It's all you. All right. Where are we at on our likes? Where are we at? We are at 538 likes. Is that right? 553 is what I see. I need to reboot my... There we go. That's better. Now we're caught up. Now we're caught up. I can't play anything not AI. It will get our YouTube strike. I am just kind of chilling. If we get a pop-up close to DD band, I'll probably take another trade. If ES moves back up closer to the opening range gap, I would consider shorting off of that as well. But for now, I'm just going to sit on my hands. I just feel like I'm a little bit out of sync with everything right now. So I'm just going to chill. Lenny's vids, I made all these songs that you're listening to. You can find my Suno playlist in the description of this video. Pull out a guitar and sing us a song. I don't have any guitars here. My brain is just tired this week from trading. I just feel worn out from trading. And I don't remember feeling like this in a while. I don't remember feeling like this for a while. Like I can't remember really feeling like this ever. I mean, like I just feel my brain feels tired. It's kind of a weird feeling. I do not trade gold. I probably write 85% of the lyrics. 80 to 85% of all the lyrics are me. And I might use Grok or ChatGPT to help me finish out lyrics that I might be struggling in certain spots to get ideas. Writing the lyrics takes the most time. And then I use Suno AI to produce the music. Coming off a lot of green days in a row. Yeah, I don't know if it's that. I don't know if it's just I feel on edge this week. waiting for a shoe to drop. Like last night when I blew up that eval, when we dropped 250 points on the fake news that came out of nowhere. Those kinds of, that kind of volatility, I guess it's just worn me down, and I just feel tired. My brain looking at charts and constantly trying to perform at such a high level is kind of taxing a little bit. I'm gonna just sit on my hands. I'm not pushing any buttons right now. This is really the reason I'm not taking a trade is just I'm setting the show up. I'm setting the show up for any minute now. A new person, a new viewer will join and say the magic words. Burnt out? I don't feel burnt out. Decision fatigue. Dude, that is what it is. Dennis Ernest, that is exactly what it is. Decision fatigue. That is the best way I've thought of describing it. You just nailed it. Do you limit people for joining non-boot? No, you can join any giveaway that we're doing. You're more than welcome to participate in. I know the prop score Discord has a 1 win per day, but not on the YouTube streams. You can win multiple accounts if you're lucky enough to do so. Check Lean Hogs futures. I think decision fatigue is actually a very wonderful way of what I'm feeling. Dan says, I got rid of a long today near the lows just because I was exhausted and thought to myself, if this goes down, I don't have the energy to fight back. That is exactly, dude, that is a great picture of what I'm feeling right now. It's like if I get into a trade, I just don't have the mental energy to sit here and babysit it. Abracadabra. That's not the magic word I was thinking of, but yeah. Running low on mental capital. Maybe that's it. Cattle futures. It doesn't matter if you guys say the words. I know all of you. And you can say the magic words and it doesn't mean anything. It has to be a genuine, legit comment. And you know when you can tell the difference between someone who knows me and someone who doesn't. So do they have levels? Yeah, so on the Rocket Scooter platform, you have let's see, where is it? Like on gold. If I move this over to gold here. Let me pop back up. DD bands. I believe there's, yeah, they have liquidity pockets. This is gold. So you have hedge pressure, monthly hedge pressure. You got DD bands and liquidity pockets. All the same on gold. And where is oil in here? Crude, is it crude oil? Yeah, CL. So click here. What's the contract for oil right now? It's June, right? I need to get on the right one. Here we go. So there's oil. Let me get up here on a higher time frame. It will load up. So you have on oil, you don't have hedge pressure. Oh, I guess you do have hedge pressure. Yeah. Oh, there they are. They're just way down there. Yeah, you have all of them. You have every level: bull zone, bear zones, monthly hedge pressure, weekly hedge pressure, DD bands. You don't have resilience indicators. wouldn't work on these because they're tracking the NASDAQ. So the resilience indicators probably wouldn't be very effective on those, but oh, thank you so much. What'd you give me? Thank you, love. I love you so much. How was your class? Are you cold? Do you want to leave or do you want to come say hi? It's mine. Got it. There's on my other account. Do you want to say hi?
Heck?
Do you want to come say hi? You can turn the fan off. Yeah, here. Oh, my woman coming to save me with some food. Say hi to Papa Leslie.
Who?
Papa Les. Says say hi to Papa Les.
Papa Les.
Say hi, Papa Les.
Hi, Papa Les. Why do I have to say that?
Because he said say hi to Papa Les. How was your class?
So good.
Was it? Here, get over.
No, it's stink.
I don't smell you this time. Maybe it's my allergies.
So are there allergies?
I don't know. Maybe I'm just stuffed up and I can't smell you yet. Oh, no, there it is. There's that sweaty smell. There's that sweaty smell. Was your class full tonight? Did you make them write out sticky notes?
No, not tonight.
No?
It was yesterday.
Okay. Was everybody so glad to see you? Did anybody pass out?
No, I had one girl who had crawfish and
Oh.
margaritas today.
Oh.
And she came to class, so she warned me. She was like, if I leave out of here, like, then I'm like,
She left? Did she leave?
no, she stayed the whole time. But, yeah. Crawfish and margaritas before a hot class.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I can't even just do water before a hot class and I feel like I'm going to die and throw up. Oh.
Did you get me a second phone? Oh!
You guys keep bringing me silverware and I forget to bring it back.
This is why I can't find anything.
I forget to bring back the silverware. And so it's just been sitting here in the office. It's just been sitting here in the office. And now that you're here, go do the dishes. I'm just kidding. I love you so much. I'll do them later. All right. I love you. Thank you for bringing me this. Oh, so good. All right. I gotta get the fan back on. She's stinky. She's stinky. Dude, decision fatigue. I'm so glad you said that. Whoever said that earlier. Dennis, somebody. That is exactly what I'm feeling. Maybe I'm just not going to trade anymore tonight. Maybe I just need to chill out, not trade tonight, take tomorrow off, come back fresh on Sunday, be happy with the payouts I've gotten, be happy with the green across the board, because I have fought so hard for it this week, and I've done it. Right now I feel the burn. Oh, this is so much better. This is so much better. All right, guys, 30 more likes and we'll do our 50K giveaway. 30 more likes. We got 2 hours to go in the show. No screens for 24 hours. Dr. Kurt's orders. There is definitely something to be said for taking a break from getting away from the charts. 2 payouts this week, Kyle. One yesterday and one today. So one Wednesday night, one Thursday night. I feel like some of my best trading has come after I haven't looked at the charts for like 3 days. And I'm not talking about like a weekend, but like when the market is open and active. When the market is open and active, taking a break for like 2 or 3 days, when I come back from that, I usually have some of my very best trading. My brain is reset. My emotions are reset. My energy levels have reset. And you just have a fresh perspective and a fresh take on trading again. I think one of the things with trading prop firms that is kind of a negative for day traders is that, number one, they put all of these daily trading consistency things on you so that you feel like, number one, like they offer you daily payouts. Well, what does that do to a trader that is offered daily payouts? It means they're going to want to trade every single day so they can get a daily payout. Or if they say you have to have 5 minimum days of $100 or 5 minimum days of $200 or whatever it is, they say you have to have that. Well, that means traders trading these accounts are like, oh, I've got to trade today. I've got to trade today. And maybe the best thing to do is only take a trade 2 or 3 days a week. So I don't know that I'm going to sit out tomorrow, but I might. Is it strictly trading or all the stream situation? No, the stream isn't really bothering me anymore. I've kind of gotten over. I'm not gonna play this song. I'm not gonna play that song. It's not time for that yet. Drew Does Trading says you just switched from Apex to My Fun and Futures. Why did you do that? I'd be curious to know. I deserve a break. I'm going to take a break. I don't work on Fridays. So my day job, I'm off all day Friday. So tomorrow's actually going to be a nice day. I'm going to be hanging out with my granddaughter for some of it. And then Saturday, I don't know what I'm going to do. I'll just be chilling. Tell Matt he's a cheap SOB and I buy dinner for you and Lady Darb. Thanks, man. You don't need to do that. I'm sure Lady Darb and I will go out and have a nice date Saturday night somewhere. Get out of the house. Last weekend we went to the Astros game. We had a nice, cool, dinner out down by the ballpark. and then went to watch the Astros get their asses kicked. I don't know what we're going to do Saturday, but we'll find something fun to do. What is my day job is that I am I'm a minister. I work at a church. I oversee all of the service programming for a very large church in the area, and I do all of the music for one of the campuses there as well. So I'm a musician I'm an audio engineer by education, studio audio engineer, and like mixing and recording, mixing, and all that kind of stuff. And then I'm a musician by trade. Like that's what I do. That's how I get paid. That's how I make my money is as a musician, singing, playing. So that's my day job. I work there Sunday. Of course, Sunday is the start of the week. So Sunday is that's my first day that I'm working. But then I'm in the office Monday through Thursdays. I just passed 20 years there. And I'm working hard not to pass 21 years there. I'm trying not to get to 21. I want to move my time and energy and focus into trading, helping Matt build Rocket Scooter and Prop Score. So maybe that happens this year. We'll see. I used to travel and play all the time. That's how I met my wife. Sunday is the end of the week. Fight me, Brad. Okay, so I always feel like Sunday is the beginning of the week. I feel like Saturday is the end of the week. I don't know. We can do a poll. We'll see. We'll do a poll and see how chat feels about this. Let's just settle this right now. Is Sunday the first day of the week? Is Sunday, I'll just tell you, is Sunday, and then answer one, the first day of the week or the last day of the week? Here we go. Start the poll. Let's get after it, chat. Let's settle this once and for all. Is Sunday the first day of the week or the last day of the week? Sunday is the first day of the week. There's the right answer and the wrong answer, and the right answer is it's the first day of the week. See, 98 SR20, that's a good argument. If God rested on the seventh day, wouldn't Sunday be the last day? That's not a bad argument. First day of the week, but last day of the weekend. Rob Heitzman. You can't have it both ways. It is the last day of the weekend, but it is the first day of the week. It's part of the weekend. Okay, Kyle, I can see that as well. It is part of the weekend. So far, with over 125 votes, team first day of the week is in the lead here. It is the first day of the trading week as well, Sunday night. So there you go. Kyle is always right. Is he? I've seen him lose trades. Sunday is the rest day. Internationally, people may think Sunday is the last day. I just was trying to find some points for my own argument. Farina said that you're always right. So I was just trying to find a counter argument, and that's the first thing that came out. Are we at to 600 likes yet? No, we need 7 more likes, guys. 7 more likes. Brad is banned from the Discord giveaway. I won't be there anyway, so All right, we're ending the poll. The poll is officially ended. Chat has spoken. The world has decided. Sunday is the first day of the week. Duarte Machado, I agree with you. We trade on Sundays, so it's the first day of the week. A surprise appearance. I can't be there tomorrow, sadly. Tomorrow afternoon and evening, I have a church thing that I have already committed to being at. If you look on a calendar, open up your phone. Open up your phones and go to your calendar on your iPhone. What do you see? What's the first day on your calendar? What's the first day on your calendar? You see a Walmart phone? That ain't a Walmart phone, baby. It's Sunday. Sunday is the first day of every calendar that you can find that even makes sense. Sunday is the first one. First day of the week on every calendar. Let's go, 600, baby. Oh, no, we still got 2 likes. We still got two to go. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Don't count your chickens before the eggs hatch. Don't count your eggs before the chickens hatch. I don't know what it means. Whatever it means, you have 2 more to do. We need 2 more likes. Smash that like button. Let's go. $603. We're across the line. All right, we're giving away an earn to trade 50K account. The keyword is weekend. Keyword is weekend. Weekend. Type it in, baby. Weekend is the keyword. Type it up, type it up, type it up. Let's go. Get them in. Don't count me out, baby. I'll be right back.
learn. Every setback set the track. No hype, no luck, no guessing now. They see the wins, but they don't see how. Just structure, patience, and follow through. It was built in the dark before it grew. Don't count me out. I've been down that road, from a blown account to a steady load. Don't count me out. I was built for this. Found my edge in the pocket. Now I don't miss. From the red to green, yeah, I turned it around. They can say what they want. Don't count me out. Don't count me out. Don't count me out. Don't count me out. Bell rings, I'm already set. Levels like no room for regret. If it hits, I move. If it breaks, I'm gone. No second guessing to lean upon. I've chased that high. I've paid that cost. Now every move is defined before it's lost. I don't chase, I don't hope, I don't beg for control. I define every move before I pay the toll. Yeah, the market don't care, that's the truth I defend. So I trade the plan again and again and again. MHP pockets where it turns. Monthly maps, yeah, the structure's earned. If it's not my setup, I let it pass. No need to force it, no need to grasp. One bad trade can spiral fast. So I trust the rules, not the ghosts of the past. I don't chase, I don't hope, I don't beg for control. I define every move before I pay the toll. Yeah, the market don't care, that's the truth I defend. So I trade the plan again and again and again. Entry, exit, risk, or fine. Leave emotion off the line. If I'm wrong, I'm out, no fight. Small loss now keeps me alive. Small loss now keeps me alive. I don't chase, I don't hope, I don't beg for control. I define every move before I pay the toll. Yeah, the market don't care, that's the truth I defend. So I trade the plan again and again and again. Trade the plan again and again and again.
level tells the truth. Hold the line, let it breathe. There's an edge you cannot see. Edge never sleeps. Edge never sleeps. Rocket scooter underneath. Edge never sleeps. In the silence, something moves. Every level tells the truth. Hold the line, let it breathe. There's an edge you cannot see. Edge never sleeps. Edge never sleeps. Rocket scooter underneath. Edge never sleeps.
All right, sorry about that. I had to go to the bathroom. I had to go to the bathroom. And
No rush,
as I was going to the bathroom,
no fear.
I walked past our little shop that we have. We have a little store
The edge is
in our
there.
apartment complex that they stock it with
If you wait
all
for
kinds of stuff that you would maybe not want to run up to Walmart or Target or whatever to go get. It has, toothpaste and pain medicine like Tylenol and ibuprofen and Pepto but it's also got snacks.
it, never sleeps.
And so on the way back from the bathroom, I popped in to get some snacks. And you have to pay with your phone. It's like a little digital pay, but the card reader wasn't working. And so I had to let me get the music down. Hold on. So I had to download the app, make an account, load it with funds, and then pay, and then come back to the show. Once I was in the store, once I was in the little, they call it a sundries market room, I knew I was committed and I couldn't come back without a snack at that point. So I went through, I downloaded the app, I loaded some funds, and I got me some peanut M&Ms. And these looked really good. Nerds gummy clusters. So I had to get a little snack. I don't know. Hello, diabetes. If I'm not gonna make money, I might as well get the beaties instead. All right, let me grab all the users. You guys stop typing. Copying the users. I'll give it 10 more seconds in case there were some latecomers. The gummy clusters are actually really good. All right, no more entries. Entries are closed. Let's spin it up. Let's spin it up, shall we? All right, we're giving away, this is an earn to trade 50K account. Earn to trade 50K account right now. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Good luck. Good luck. Oh, Limey the Great. What a great name. Limey the Great. Deagle. Woohoo! I see you, boo. Limey the Great, you just won an earned to trade 50K account.
Step away from the terms and conditions.
I hope you enjoy it. I don't know anything about them. I've never used them before. We would love for you to go trade with them and then come back and leave a review on your experience. You can go to the Discord, Prop Score Discord. You can find the link in the description of this video. Go to the YouTube winners channel in the Prop Score Discord. And there you will find instructions on how to claim your prize. Congratulations. All right, guys. We have one more account to give away tonight. We still have a 50K Lucid Flex Eval. These are fantastic accounts. I do have, in case you didn't know, I do have some experience trading with Lucid. Just in case you hadn't heard. Just in case.
Yeah. You ever sit there?
Just in case you didn't know.
Know exactly why it happened.
I do have some experience
Do it anyway.
with Lucid.
Blew it again. I ain't say a word. Stared at the number like, nah, that's absurd. Knew what I did, yeah, I knew what it cost.
We will give that account away
It's low. There's no one to blame.
at 10:15. 30 minutes, okay? 10:15, 30 minutes, we'll give away the Lucid account.
That's what it's for. That's the part that'll mess with your head. Not the losses.
How are we doing on numbers tonight, by the way? Ooh.
They say you done. Said he won't last. Seen this before.
I trade them all on stream. Yeah. Those are all the accounts right up here. They're all right here. Okay. The Nerd Gummy Clusters. They're a solid TPT. They're somewhere between TPT and Lucid. After you get your first payout in Apex, you'll come to Lucid. I hope you get a payout with Apex. You would be one of the few. I'm just kidding. I'm loading up on sugar for the last hour, and I'm just going to full port here in a minute. I'm going to get so jacked up on some sugar and chocolate.
That was me,
Ah!
but I didn't leave.
My top 3 prop firms: Lucid, My Funded Futures, and probably Funded Next. Those would be my top 3. Lucid would be number 1. My Funded Futures number 2. Funded Next number 3. TP for your bungo. A full port to end the week. Don't you dare me. Hey, Prop Score Pete, thanks for being here, buddy. Go tuck yourself, man. We'll see you Sunday night. Not on a sugar high yet. It doesn't hit that fast. I dare you not to. Yeah. I ain't full porting. I am not full porting. I triple dog dare ya. You can't sandlot me into this one, baby. You can't sandlot me into that one. I would love to see London. So here's what I think. Somebody take a picture of this, and we'll revisit in the morning. London, New York. So, Asia, London, New York. And it might actually even come down lower than that to fill that gap. Can't back down from a triple dog dare. Hey, Shivax, thanks so much for being here, man. Go tuck yourself, buddy. Have a great night. Yeah. Peanut M&Ms on top of the Nerds gummy clusters. As soon as Lady Darb left, I was a beeline to the market room. I wasn't about to get food shamed when she was here. Yeah, we're coming up on this previous day high, week high, weekly high, all-time highs, you know, all the highs. And we're approaching DD band. I feel like it's going to want to make a pop-up here, maybe at the top of the hour. If not this hour, heading into London. Uh-oh, I just got a text. Hey, Skeletor, thanks for being here, man. Go tuck yourself, buddy. We'll see you Sunday. Yes. We did finish this. Oh, no. No, we haven't. We haven't finished the second season of Paradise yet. We have one episode to go. We're on the last episode of Paradise Season 2. It's a great show. Paradise is so good. Uh-oh. I think Lady Darb's upset. Babe, I have eaten so good today. And I just put $900 in our bank. I'm going to take you shopping tomorrow. I ate the food that you brought me. And I'm so grateful that you brought me some dinner tonight. But I had to get a snack. You don't understand. I was fading fast. I'm not even sure I would have made it to the end of the show without passing away tonight. It was contributing to my brain fog. It was contributing to not trading to the most efficient and best of my abilities. Wow, heart attack. That is not my fourth pack. Oh, man.
Most will chase it. Most will break. We don't. We don't. We wait. Patience gets paid. Patience gets paid.
There's not my fourth pack. I didn't chip a tooth. I did get a little shell, little candy shell of the. You're banning me from the sundries? I didn't chip a tooth. I got one caught. I got a little shell caught over here and I was like, ow, it hurt. It's karma. No more sundries. Well, guys, it was a great little run, and now we have just found the top. We found our little 15-point Asia range. E. Flores says, thank you for answering me. I'm sorry if I've missed your question, buddy.
Watch the slip, yeah, I knew that fight. Had it right there, just one more trade. Turned green to red, like a bad mistake. Every loss got a voice in my head, saying walk away, just leave it instead. But I've been here before, I know that song, and I don't stay down.
I don't ride anymore, no.
I'm fighting on, blew it all, but I'm not gone. Break, reset.
Speed eating those Doritos before coming back to the camera has its repercussions. I didn't have any Doritos. I had gummy clusters and I had some peanut M&Ms and I didn't even eat the full bag. There's still at least a third of the bag of M&Ms in there.
No one claps when you start again. No spotlight on the discipline. Just
Yep, I didn't eat them all. I just verified one more time.
peace, rebuilding me. Every doubt gotta see in my mind. Every failure just waits in line. But I've learned pain don't mean you're done.
Second Five Guys cheeseburger looking at me like the four last call. Skydoc says, hey Brad, I think I might try the Lucid platform. Can you go over the difference between the Pro versus the Flex 150K accounts? Sure. So the Flex, it doesn't matter really which ones you buy. You go to the 150K. This one's going to be a little bit cheaper. The Flex is. It's 4,500, so 1-to-2 profit to drawdown ratio, end-of-day drawdown, no daily loss limit, 50% consistency on the eval, which means you can only make half of your profit target on any day. So you'll have to trade for at least 2 days to pass. Okay? Once you're funded, you just have your max loss limit of $4,500. There is no daily loss limit. There is no consistency. Your minimum requirement is 5 days of, I want to say it's $200. It's either $200 or $250 on the 150K. So you have to trade for 5 days and make at least $200 or $250. I can't remember which one it is for 5 days on the Flex. This one is probably the easiest to get to a payout. There's no buffer. You just have to trade for 5 days, and then you can take out half of your balance up to, I can't remember what it is on the 150K. 3,000? 4,000? 5,000? I can't remember. I only trade the 25s, so I don't know. The Lucid Pro is 1 day to pass, but you do have a daily loss limit of $2,700 that you have to be mindful of. But you can pass in 1 day. It is a little bit more expensive. On the funded side, you have to make a minimum of $1,000. That is your profit target, basically. You do have a daily loss limit there, and your daily loss limit is 60% of the high watermark end of day balance. So every day it gets if your end of day balance keeps growing, then your daily loss limit would also get bigger as well. So for me, if you're just trying to get a good first payout, the flex is probably the way I would go on that. New hour just turned over. I gotta do Tradeify. The Tradeify select, where you get to pick your like daily or I can't remember what select payout, I guess is what it's called. You can choose your path. I'm gonna try those out. Team Silent says, how much room above or below DD band would you normally give before it failed? One strike distance, which on NQ is 40 points. So 40 points above DD band would mean it's probably going to come back, bounce, and keep going. Or I'm at least wrong. On a short setup, necessarily have to get to DD band. It could just undershoot it and roll over. It doesn't have to touch it. In this volatile market, it wouldn't surprise me if it did overshoot a little and then come back. My YouTube backend just crashed on me again. TPT versus Lucid Flex. Lucid. TPT, you have to go through intraday trailing drawdown, which is not a good situation to be in for a day trader. What else do we have? Boot camp. We have one Lucid 50K. We have a Lucid 50K Flex account to give away in about 10 more minutes. And then we have we have Papa Les donated 60. So no, and he did 80. So that's 4. Plus there was another one from Drops. It's 5. That's 20. We have 24 boot camps tonight. TPT is a good firm. They are just having to go through intraday trailing drawdown is I just don't like it at all. I have not gotten good at that yet. My funded futures versus Lucid, toss up. It's a toss up. You could either one is a winner in my book. We have a lot of people that really like TPT, so you can get good payouts on firms that are cheaper and pay out faster and have better dashboards and better customer support, in my opinion. Top Step, I haven't traded with Top Step in almost 2 years. Rush Chud, how do I compare prop firms and decide which one's better? That's a great question, my friend. Let me introduce you to propscore.co. Propscore.co is the credit score for prop firms. It is the data-driven prop firm rankings. It helps traders compare payout splits, drawdown rules, fees, and evaluation difficulty so that you can choose the right firm with confidence. Would you like to get started? I would. Let's explore some firms. Let's say you're newer to trading and you're not passing a lot of evals, right? You haven't maybe gotten funded, or maybe you've gotten funded, but you've never gotten a payout. So let's say that let's say it takes you like 8 evals before you pass one. And let's say when you're funded, it takes you like 5 funded accounts before you get to a payout. And your win rate is, let's say, 45%. And it's like a 1 to 2. Let's like 2.5, right? Can you do 2.5? No, you can't. Oh, I guess you can. 2.5. Okay. This will tell you on the minimum first payout, the best accounts that you should be focused on, based on price, based on your trading stats, the minimum first payout. The Elite Trader Funded, it doesn't really score very well. The top scoring one is this Top Step one here. Top Step is the highest scoring one in this scenario. Funded Next is a very high scoring one in this scenario. Lucid is very high in this scenario. Phidias is very high. My Funded Future. So you can go in and you can then compare. Let's add this to the compare. Add this one to the compare. Oh, let's make sure we're adding the same kind. That was a 25, and let's do this 25. And then we can go to view all, and we can look and go, hey, these were recommended to me based on my statistics. Let's look. A 10K payout at 90% split. 5K, 3K, no daily loss limits. Eval has 50%, nothing unfunded. Those are all about the same. The listed price and then the sell price that you see. No discount for prop score, discount as far as the sell price there. Discounted price, so you can see. Activation fee, none, yes, on Top Step. So the all-in cost, the Funded Next, currently, the Legacy 25K Funded Next, all in $56 right now. That's incredible. I should go pick some of those up. Now you can get down here and you can look at simplicity, which is how easy is this account to be passed. You see all the scores there. Your return on investment, you can see while this one is the cheapest one, it also doesn't have a very good return on investment. You're going to get a smaller payout. This, you have a best in class payout on this account. Drawdown per price, they're all about equal. Price per time in market, this is how fast you can get to the payout. Best in class, average. And then the review scores, 9.7 is great. Top Step, good. Funded Next, good. And then you can drop down here and you can see all of the pros and cons to why they might be good or bad for you. PropScore.co is the website you need to be using every time you want to buy a new evaluation. You should be looking on PropScore.co first to figure out which firms and accounts have the best deals and how they match up to other accounts in that same style that you're looking to trade. PropScore.co. And if you use that site, it is completely free. Just use the code SCORE when you go to checkout. and that goes towards helping continue to keep that site developed and updated, and pays the large team of staff on the back end that are managing that all the time. And it gets us a ton of accounts to give away here on all of our shows every single day. Does it show you which firm doesn't have a buffer after evaluation? Ahmed Hussein, I don't know that it has that. That's explicit filter. But if you go into Prop Score Discord, there is a wish list channel in the Prop Score Discord, and you can actually type in that feature. You can say, hey, I think it would be good if we could filter by buffer on the funded stage. Needs a buffer, doesn't need a buffer. If you won the boot camp yesterday, you go to the Prop Score Discord, go to the YouTube giveaways channel, and there's instructions there on how to claim your prize. Papa Les, your work is done here. Thank you so much for being here, my friend. As always, it is a joy to hang out with you all week long. Thank you for your generosity all week long. Hope you have a great weekend. You can go tuck yourself, and we'll see you Sunday night, buddy. Oh, you're not going anywhere. You meant your job is done here by giving free accounts. 11:22 is the trigger. We got a whole nother hour and 10 minutes for that. Well, my initial short would now be back at break even, ladies and gentlemen. My initial short would now be back at break even. Too bad, you got to go now, says there 23. Lucid, yeah, the code is SCORE. Code SCORE for Lucid. Would you rather no longer be able to go long or go short for futures only? I would rather. Would you rather no longer be able to go long or short? I would rather no longer be able to short and only long. The market in the long term is always going to go up. The market in the long term is always going to go up. So I would rather. Kyle, you took a short. Pasture Lucid 25K flex. Nice. Let's go, babies. GG. It's a great feeling, isn't it? It's a great feeling. Comes that VWAP touch. ES coming back down to HP. Might be a nice long there. I don't know. I'm not gonna enter back into any positions tonight. I can tell you that. I'm not. I do have decision fatigue from the week, from so much trading, and just trying to keep a high level of execution in front of me at all times. And I can tell I'm just worn down right now. What's up, Master? You got 300 to be funded on your first Lucid Flex? Don't rush it. Don't rush it. All right, guys. We're going to do our next giveaway. Our Lucid 50K Flex. A Lucid 50K Flex. I need our final code word to be a good one. I need our final code word to be a good one. Cheat day. Nerds. Snacks. Oh. Eminem. Snack machine. I think snacks is the one. I think it's got to be snacks. Snacks. Let's go with snacks. Snacks it is. Oh my gosh, my freaking bot just crashed again. Hold on. It happens at this time every night. I think there's like a time limit on how long it can be active before I have to reset it. Let me make sure it's working. All right, snacks. Snacks it is. Did someone say snacks for slacks? Snacks it is, baby. Type it in. Type it in. Getting a little bounce off of the VWAP here. Couldn't get all the way back down to weekly hedge pressure on ES. It's going to struggle at HP. What do I think about shorting this? I don't want to engage right now. I can just tell you mentally I'm not in sync with what's happening on the charts. And after a week of grinding, getting 2 payouts, keeping green across the board on my funded accounts, I am content to take a small loss on this one funded account tonight. I might re-engage that in the morning on the New York session. We'll see. We'll see. But knowing being a good trader, part of being a good trader is understanding your own personal mental state and understanding when you're not at the top of your game, when you're not sharp. You don't want to engage the market when you're not at your most sharpest and alertness. Alertedness. That's not a word. I just made it up. Alertness. You don't want to be getting into any kind of positions in the market if you're tired, if you got brain fog going on, or if you just don't feel right. You know, like if you just feel like, man, I'm not kind of just locked in. I'm not in that zone. So I'm not gonna. I will be done. We'll do this giveaway. We'll do the boot camps in about 10 minutes after this, and then I'm probably gonna wrap it up for the night. If I was looking for a trade, hedge pressures are definitely spots that, from a rocket scooter perspective, you might see a small, like on ES, you might see, I was going to say that's good, like 6 points off of a HP bounce, 5 to 6 points would be a big bounce comparatively to the overall session. InQ's still got a long ways down. Well, my trade would have won tonight if I had held it. Woulda, shoulda, coulda, you know. That was the right thing to do, was to take that loss. That thing could have definitely been ripping up to DD Band tonight. I'm happy cutting that loss when and where I did. That is well within my risk profile for the funded accounts, so still on track with everything there. All right, guys, let me grab all the users here. No more entries. Entries are closed. Entries are closed. No more entries. We're giving away a Lucid 50K Flex account right now. We're going to load up all the names. There they are. Lucid 50K Flex account coming up. Before I give this to you, I want to remind everyone that tomorrow on PropScore Discord, they're doing a giveaway bonanza tomorrow on PropScore Discord at 5:30 Eastern tomorrow night. They'll be hosting a mega live giveaway for 10 prop accounts. Your very own I Am Liquidity and Farina Ballerina will be your hosts. They will be giving away 10 prop accounts tomorrow night at 5:30 Eastern. So you can go in there right now to PropScore, the Discord on PropScore, and you can click interested. This is in the giveaway channel. Just click interested, and it will remind you of all of that. But you don't want to miss that tomorrow. Huge giveaway, 10 accounts to finish out the weekend. You're definitely going to want to be there for that. All right, shuffling it up. 50K, flex account. Good luck. Marcy Herrera. Marcy Herrera, congratulations. You just won a Lucid 50K Flex account. Type something in chat to let me know you're here. Kevin, baby, let's go, man. Thank you for the boot camp dono. I have, there she is. You won, baby. Marcy Herrera. Congratulations, you just won a Lucid 50K Flex account. To claim your prize, listen closely. You're going to go to the PropScore Discord. You can find the link to that Discord in the description of this video. Go to the YouTube winners channel. And there are very clear instructions on exactly how to claim your prize. Thank you for that boot camp, Kevin. That's 28 boot camps we're about to give away. Guys, if you have never taken the boot camp before, I got to tell you, you're missing out. You are missing out. The boot camp is an education unlike any other trading education I have received. It is the very reason I have been able to have this kind of consistency in my accounts. I attribute that to the Rocket Scooter Bootcamp. I attribute this to the Rocket Scooter Bootcamp. I attribute this to the Rocket Scooter Bootcamp. And I attribute this to the Rocket Scooter Bootcamp. I'm not saying you'll have all of those same results that I'm having right now, but I know what it did for me, and I know that I am not the only person who has experienced something like those results happening to them. There are hundreds of 5-star reviews. It costs $20. It's a 20-day trading education boot camp. It's $1 a day. There you go. Papa Les, you just got 2. Matt just popped in and said you can have 2. I know that there are so many people that have experienced the same kind of they share the same kind of opinion that I share about the boot camp and how incredible it is. It's $1 a day. Matt created this course, and he did not want money to be a barrier for people to get good education. That's why it's only $20. It's very, very inexpensive. It is worth 100 times that, at least. You're going to learn inside the boot camp. You're going to learn everything from a clear overview of trading. You're going to learn everything from trend identification, market avoidance, when to sit out. You're going to learn about position sizing, trade management, stop loss. And then you're going to take a deep dive into the Rocket Scooter platform. And you're going to learn all about how we can identify high volume pivots in the market before the session begins or as the session begins. And you're going to learn about liquidity pockets with bear zones and bull zones and DD bands. You're going to learn about resilience indicators. You're going to learn about the liquidity maps that we have that give you a blueprint at the start of each day and position sizing. And you're going to learn how to just the mental and the psychological part of trading that comes along with it. All of that is inside the boot camp. I wish I would have had it 5 years earlier. But here I am. I got it almost a year ago, and it has been the difference maker for me. And I'm confident that you won't experience another trading education like this for sure. There's two ways to take the boot camp. You can either wait until May 11th when the next live boot camp will begin, or you can go on right now and you can watch the recorded videos from the previous boot camp. It's all the same material. It's just the live boot camp will be using the current market conditions that we're in and the data that we're in. And you'll be able to interact with Matt on a one-on-one basis. Questions, answers, all that kind of stuff. So, with that being said, if you have never won a Rocket Scooter boot camp before, and you would like an opportunity to take it for free for 1 month, type the word boot camp into the chat right now. Oh, that's not the right word. Boot camp is the word. Boot camp, not boot camp. Type boot camp into the chat right now. If you've never won a Rocket Scooter boot camp before, this is your opportunity to win a free month. We're going to give away 28. We're giving away 28 boot camps tonight. Thank you guys for donating all of the boot camps. You won't find another community that is generous as this one. You won't find another community that is looking out for other traders, trying to help other traders to get better. We're not here for drama. We're not here for fun and games, although we do have fun and we do play games. We are here. We are here to become better traders. And that starts with getting the proper foundation. That starts with getting the proper education. So if you've never won a Rocket Scooter boot camp, type it into chat. I'm going to give you... We're giving away 28, and there's not going to be very many people that register for this, so you're going to have a really good chance of winning one, I promise. We have almost every person who's ever watched the show on the night shift, I feel like, has won a boot camp. And that's thousands of people. I feel like we've given away at least 1,000 boot camps since this show has started. Bootylicious. Oh boy. Papa Les donating another one. That's 32 boot camps. 32 boot camps. You have 1 more minute. There's enough money for everyone. Leslie Paul Farkas is the most generous of them all. Thank you, sir. We're just gonna start calling him Santa Les. Santa Les. Instead of Santa Claus, he's gonna be Santa Les. Drops trades with another one. Let's go. That's 36. All right, no more entries. No more entries. I'm going to donate. Good news, guys. Good news. No more entries. No more entries. Entries are closed. Listen. Listen. Stop typing. Very good. Listen. Here's what's going to happen. I'm going to drop all the names into ChatGPT right here.
When the door first cracked open, this ain't luck. This is blood on the token. 2016, 41, punching in at the office grind. 5 days a week, 9 to 5.
I'm dropping all the names into the boot camp right here. Please watch this message carefully. There are 43 of you. Please let all of these people know that they just won a rocket scooter boot camp. Every one of you that just entered, I'm donating the other 6 to you. All 46 of you are getting a boot camp tonight. J-Star, YW Bryan, Turtle Trader, Rush Chud, Estavo Timsky, 1000 Proof, Happy, Case Hatfields, Born Free, Edstone, No Life, Team Salenza, Chump Trader, Jakau, Athena Petty, Aerofactor, Sean Dees, Jean Gua, Kim Capital, Mites, Throat Puncher, Sebastian Gonzalez, Dean Ford, Karkston, Mahir Patel, Riley Crossan, Full PKG, Franya Oz, Elodon Udi, Blue Skies, Eli Trades, That's So Caleb, Trading the Odds, Brandon Cali, Ryder, Soso Goazi, Sadiskov, ADHD, The Wealth Goddess, Fast Sulfur, Hongwei, Future Whaler, Marmaro. That's it, baby. We had 36 donations. There were 46 entries. I'm donating the last couple. All of you are getting a boot camp tonight. All 47 of you are getting a boot camp. J-Star down to Mahir Patel. And then Riley Crossan down to Mara Morrow. All right, there's my screenshots. Good job. Congratulations. Thank you for all the donations tonight from all of our viewers. And everybody who just entered the boot camp giveaway, you just won a boot camp giveaway. Go to the Prop Score Discord. Go to the YouTube channel, YouTube Winners channel. And there in that YouTube Winners channel, you will find instructions on how to claim your prize. You can rewind the stream to see if your name was called, but if you entered the giveaway, you won. Go to the Prop Score Discord. You can find the link to the Prop Score Discord in the description of this video. Prop Score Discord. Go to the YouTube Winners channel and you will find all the instructions on how to claim your prize.
Searching for answers in the trading mist. Stumbled on rocket scooters twist. Tools unlocked edges I never knew existed.
All right, guys. I think I'm going to be calling it a night here. I can just tell my energy level, my brain, my mental space. I have decision fatigue, and I am physically and mentally aware of how that is affecting me. And that's my signal to just step away from the charts and just get a refresher. Had a great week. Just as a refresher, this was our pay. We had 2 payouts this week. We were green across the board in all of our funded accounts. Green across the board. We were green across the board here, except for tonight, which I might re-engage this tomorrow in the New York session. We'll see how I feel in the morning. And we were green across the board here after we took out a payout tonight. Great account. We also passed a TPT 50K account this week. We passed a 50K TPT. We're halfway to passing a My Funded Futures 50K Flex. So all in all, a very good trading week for me. This is the last show for the night shift for the week. We'll be back on Sunday night. Don't forget a few things, reminders. Matt will be streaming in the morning. About 30 minutes. He'll come on about 30 minutes before the market opens. Neon will be streaming in the afternoon. And then they'll be doing the big prop score giveaway tomorrow evening at 5:30 Eastern. They're giving away 10 accounts to close out the first week of prop score on Discord. So make sure you are in the Discord. Make sure you're there tomorrow night for that big giveaway. For now, it's time for me to tuck you in, wish you sweet dreams of green as we listen to the greatest closing song of all closing songs in the history of YouTube. Night shift is clocking out. I love you guys. I'm so grateful for you. Sweet dreams of green. Jean Guan, thank you. Have a great night. It's Burns Trades. Good night. ADHD. Trading for Progress. Dennis Ernest. Matt Evans. Mallory Thompson. Kevin. Tony B. Adam Daz. Moonlight. Browlar. Chump Trader. Mark Tom Frank. Have a great night, guys. I so appreciate all of you. Sweet dreams. Sport. Duarte Machado. Farina. Dan. Think Alike. Isaac Green. Have a great night. Spyro, No Life, Wags Graham, Athena Petty, Christopher Huffman, Danik Trader, good night. Rod Trades, Blue Skies, Mac Dabrowski, My 9 is 23 Centi, Matt's Reef, Kyle, have a great night, guys. Love y'all, have a great night. Quality Homes, have a good night. Morrow, Dexter, Goes Wild, Easy Trades. Good night, guys, good night. Sweet dreams. Mike Hook, the Wealth Goddess, you'll have a great night. Kimberly, thank you so much for being here. Have a good night. Fast Sulfur, appreciate you, buddy. Good night. My cock small. Appreciate you, dog. Sweet dreams. Oz Trader, good night. Rogue, good night, buddy. Tony B, good night. Bank Robert Trading, good night.
Sweet dreams are made of green. Sweet dreams of green tonight. Sweet dreams tonight. Night shift, clocking out. Close the charts.
Daily Mana, Skydoc, Adam Daz. Good night, everybody. Good night, good night.